Well, welcome to our setup nightmare of product. We are at the Sonance CEDIA booth. So our team spent since Saturday afternoon till now. Today is Tuesday. Is it Tuesday today? It's Tuesday. Putting product on the walls, hanging TVs. I think today we have a total of 27 TVs that we've had to hang over the course of the past few days. We're right on the main aisleway here. Great booth location. We're looking forward to it. So we still got 12 hours. It's 12 o'clock now, so we got the next 12 hours. We got a bit of work to clean everything up, get the rest of the products on the wall. We're excited. We've been working hard every single night, and we're looking forward to the show to open. It's really cool when it all comes together.
All right, everybody, welcome to Denver. We're gonna get through some booth walkthrough information. We're gonna do that at the end of this meeting. And then page 5 is the agenda for today, what we're gonna do.
The whole team has been amazing. Chase, David Stark, that team flew in Saturday, and we've never been this far along on a Saturday.
It's been a fun 4 days. Has it been 4 days? 5 days? Everything from bruised faces to moderate medical emergencies in the middle of the night, but we're here. The booth looks great teamwork. I'm waiting for gigabytes of content from Christian. The show starts in a few hours, and got a bunch of displays that we just need to upload content to, so I'm gonna have Christian put the camera down now and go get me some of that content.
What you doing?
So taking 9 different measurements in different locations to get an idea of the listening window of the space. I'm averaging all that together to generate a curve of what the average response in the room is, and I'm using that to help correct for any room abnormalities. Try to get this room really tightened in.
Yeah. Everyone, Christian here with Sonance. We're at CEDIA Day 1, and we've just hosted our first group in the Sonance Experience version 2.0. Check it out.
And you'll be able to do presentations using Sonance and James loudspeaker anywhere in the world without internet.
You take all the good stuff from Sonance and James, put them together, and this is what you end up with.
Everybody said I would never make a million. Staring at this check like, look at me now. Look at me now, a sold out crowd. I put in the work, I ain't breaking a sweat. I'm coming in first, yeah, I'm coming up next. The world is mine.